Anginibingelele futhi namhlanje kuwumhla ka-2 February. Ngisazoqhubeka kule part kade ngigcine kuyona about ye-calling, yokuba ne-calling noma ukuba nabantu abadala. Ngizoqhubeka kuleyo nto leyo, so ngizothi u-part 2 lo. Before ngiqale nje namhlanje umuntu ulale ngabo-2 ey'ntatha, ngabo-2 ey'ntatha. Lokho kubangwa yini? Kubangwa izinto umuntu akahlale ayicabange. Ngilo muntu mina othi uma ecabanga kakhulu kugcina kungabe kusalaleka nhlobo. Ngiphinde ngibe umuntu futhi uma ngazi ukuthi kunenkinga ekhona engathi ngingayilungisa manje, khona ngizovele ngikhululeke nje, ngathi nje ngingavele ngiyilungise manje. Uma mhlampe la endlini, example, kungena iy'gundane, ngihleli ngilokhu ngizwa into eguquzayo, ngilo muntu lo ongakwazi ukulala leyo nto engakayibheki wayithola bese eyayilokhunja, eyayisusa lapho, ngoba ngikholelwa ukuthi yonke into kumele ibe ngendlela eyiyona. Once kwakhona into ela kungafanele ibe khona, umoya wami lapho awukhululeki. Uma kufanele ngiye endaweni ethile, ngiyi-obligated ukuthi ngiye endaweni ethile, ngazuthi leyo nto ngavele ngiyenze manje, ngavele ngiye khona manje ngibuye bese ngiyakhululeka. So ngumuntu odalwe kanjalo. Abanye-ke babuye bathi into embi, abanye babuye bathi-ke ilokhunja into enhle leyo. Ngilale ngo-2 ey'ntatha-ke ngicabanga, ngiy'dlela amathambo engqondo. Ngahlala. Kunezinto-ke umuntu abhekene nazo. Kunezinto umuntu abhekene nazo, kodwa umuntu uyazama ukuy'theklisha ngendlela abone ukuthi i-right. Umuntu uyazama futhi ukuy'theklisha nge-pace e-right. Izinto ey'ningi zisamile vele nje, zimile vele. Akekho-ke umuntu ekuhlezi kuwubuthebelele kuyena, ekuhlezi kuhamba kahle kuyena. Nawo ama-challenges afikayo kumele siwa-embrace nawo. Ngangitshela last year November, nganginenkinga yemoto, yayi-mix-a amanzi namafutha. So I had to get a certain amount in a space of 2 days. Leyo amount enganginganayo-ke. So I was stressed ngale ndlela lena, but I had a conversation, khona umuntu esangikhuluma naye, uMsibi. I was like, uMsibi, eyi mfethu, kunzima but le challenge ngoba isilethwe kumina, kumele ngiyi-face accordingly. Akufanele ngeqe ama-steps, akufanele kube khona obhotsho engifuna ukubathatha, because if ever ngithatha obhotsho okusho ukuthi i-lesson angizange ngiyifunde ngendlela. Ngisholo ukuthi yonke into efikayo eyinkinga noma eyi-challenge noma eyingqinamba noma eyi-obstacle empilweni yami, I always feel like leyo nto leyo isendiwe or ilethiwe kumina, or it was sent to me ukuthi izongiqinisa ngaleso sikhathi leso, cause ngisuke ngidinga ukuqina ngaleso sikhathi leso. Yonke i-challenge efikayo ngiyithatha kanjalo, ngiya-embrace-a noma kungathiwa ingikhalisa kangakanani, but I always embrace it. It's like umuntu ozothi I'm gonna give you ama-lashes awu-10 esitswebhu, awu-10. I'm gonna give you ama-lashes awu-10. If ever ngikunika awu-10, that means usuwufundile emaphuthini akho, ngeke usaphinde uwenze futhi, or else I'll just give you 5. But lokho kuzochaza ukuthi awuzange ufunde lawa mistakes lawa asangaphinde futhi abuye in the future. So mina I'm the type of person who would be like, yazi, let me just take 10 because chaza ukuthi u-10 lashes loyo kuyobe kuwukuthi uyangiqinisa ngendlela. So ngumuntu izinto oyibuka kuleyo perspective leyo. Angithandi ukuhluleka. Angithandi ukuhluleka. Angithandi into ezongibukanisa nabantu. Angithandi ukubukeka ngi-desperate. Emsebenzini into kade ngiyenza ukuthi noma kungathiwa kuyadliwa mhlawumbe ibhede yomuntu kuthengwe ikhekhe mina bengingalidli I would choose ukuya ngaphandle bangibuza abantu ukuthi hayibo yini indaba wena ungalokhu nje ungadli I'll be like hayi no ngiright why ngangingadli lapho I've always believed ukuthi there's someone somewhere who's gonna see me as nayo seyadla yabo nayo seyadla because angithandi umuntu ozongikhuluma behind my back but I prefer umuntu mengikhuluma angikhulume like face to face. So ngumuntu onjalo onezinto ezi-weird ngesingisimebesho ngihlukile kakhulu. So ngihlale-ke ngicabange ngo-2 mengicabanga njengoba ngisho ukuthi kunama-elements angicabangisayo ezinto engibhekene nazo. So mengicabanga ngifikele ukuthi whenever empilweni kukhona izinto ezingishayayo njengoba ngisho ukuthi angithandi ukuhluleka, angithandi ukuthi kube khona into elokho nje ezongi-overpower agcine yona. So njengoba ngihleli ngo-2 entatha I am thinking ukuthi yazi there's a person I once had empilweni yami not so long ago. I'm not gonna mention names. There's a person I once had. I'm gonna withdraw igama. There's a person I once dated. Besijola nalo muntu lona even though ukujola kwethu kade ku-wrong because of ama-circumstances athile. But besijola nalo muntu lona bekungekho right in most of the time kade kungekho right because bengifuna kiwe ngala yabo whilst yena ubeseseyile ngala wabona ukuthi kunjani so wabuyela ngala. So mina I'm like okay asiye ngalana because of A B C D and then she was always like angeke mina ngisaye lapha because I've been there and ngabona ukuthi akukho right. So there was this person ngithi mangihleli nawo amajita ngixoxe athi amajita ubekezelile kodwa mina amajita it's not about ukubekezela but it's about i-light akade eyibringa empilweni yami kukanjena-ke when you date umuntu unabantu abadala njengami nje unabantu abadala you do not go around dating people, you do not go around sleeping nabantu. Awuhambi ulala ngesiZulu, awuhambi futhi ujola. In most cases, like in 80% cases, if not 90%, usuke ukhetheliwe lowo muntu loyo ozojola naye ngaleso sikhathi leso. Mengithi usuke ukhetheliwe I mean kusuke kwabantu abadala laba abakwembethe wena abasuke belokho nje bem-approve loyo muntu loyo. Bam-approve ngama-reasons abo. Why? Uma unabantu abadala njengami njena I can take inamba and say ayi lwakhe lu-right. I can take inamba and nginga-text or I can take inamba then text and then kusasa kuseni and then be like ayi ngeke sengiyi-right yabo sengiyi-right. So bambalwa abantu engikwaziyo ukulokhunja ukuba nentshisekelo yomfonelo ukufuna ukuba naye njalo ukufuna ukuhlala naye yabo ukuthi abe around mina njalo. So this person ekade ngimcabanga ngo-2 was the type of person for me, was the type of person ekade ngihlezi ngifuna ukuba naye njalo, ngihlezi ngifuna ukumfonela. I think ngangimfonela kawu-5 if not 6 times a day mengiphuma ngemsebenzini and it's 30 minutes ukusuka la ngemsebenzini. I would call her ngize ngifike. Nanangilokhunja, nanango-4 mase ngiphuma, 'cause yena wayephuma around 5 kanti. I would call her, a-drive mhlampe naye for good 20 minutes, ngimfonela even before I sleep, we would video call, azume-ke ngimbuke elokhunja ezumeka, and wayenga-understand ukuthi why noma ngimfonela ngingamtholi efonini. I would panic and then be like, hawu kade ngikufonela check ukuthi u-right yini, because kwakubalulekile for me ukuthi ngazi ukuthi u-right yini, ngazi ukuthi u-right. As much as we were dating, but kwahamba kwafika sekutheni kwakhikha in lento enginayo le yabantu abadala, yakhikha in to a point whereby yafuna ngimshelterishe ngale ndlela le, ngimprotect-e ngale ndlela le. So whenever you do that, you tend to push abanye abantu away abasuke benga-understand ukuthi yonke lento stems from where, which I did try to explain to her ukuthi, okay dude, nginabantu abadala kanje, yabo. So I just feel like bangilethe kuwena, yabo, bangilethe kuwena. Into-ke ebuhlungu ukuthi if ever unabantu abadala, you do date umuntu, kanti you are dating umuntu who's going through into ethile, yabo, noma you are dating umuntu oqhamuka endaweni engekho right, and then you date lo muntu loyo wena, you date naye, and then usuke wazi deep down ukuthi eventually this is gonna end, because abantu abanabantu abadala, ama-relationships abo, they do not last. They do not last because hhayi ngoba awalast because they are the problem, but awalast because kusuke umuntu uma uthandana naye kumele umbike. Mese umbika umuntu wenza njani? Ushisa impepho, uyambika, noma uhamba naye ekhaya uyambika, noma you go to someone and then be like, ngicela ungitshele abantu basekhaya ukuthi I am dating this person. So njengoba ngidetha lo muntu lona, ngiyafisa ukuthi i-relationship yethu iprolongeke ibe yinde. Why am I saying lokho? It's because vele if ever you go and consult kubantu ababona kangcono, abahlezi bakutshela bethi umuntu o-right uzokhethelwa yena, bazomletha umuntu olokhunja o-right. So we can miss le opportunity leyo yokubona umuntu o-right just because i-process asisayilandeli. Phela we need to remember ukuthi uma unabantu abadala, you do not exist in a vacuum, so to speak. Awukho wedwa, nibaningi lana. So njoba nibaningi lana, and kukhona umuntu oke abuye futhi angamelwe ithongo, noma kwabanye abantu phela bathi idlozi eliwugogo. Just because you have ithongo eliwugogo, it doesn't mean ukuthi iba gay in most instances. Hhayi ngoba ngijaja abantu, cha, but lelo thongo lelo liya kulokhunja, like liyakwenza ukuthi ubukeke feminine. By ubukeke feminine wenza njani? You care too much, you love too deep, you are sensitive. Like ulokhunja uprojecta ama-emotions ekufuneka engabe aprojectha umuntu wesifazane within the relationship. Ingobani lapho usuke uhleli umuntu owugogo, vele umuntu wesifazane uyathanda kakhulu, she cares ngayo yonke indlela. So now you end up being that person leyo. So it becomes a problem when you find umuntu ozohluleka ukuku-understand-a konke lokhu ukuthi, oh okay, umina behave kanje because of ABC, but futhi at the same time akuyena wonke umuntu ongathi ujola naye uhambe umthathe uhambe uyombika, yabo. So it becomes tricky lapho, yabo. It's like ukuyisa intombazane ekhaya if ever umfana wayise yesibili kwangalunga, kusuke kufanele wazi ukuthi okay, akukakabi isikhathi esi-right, because you cannot keep going around keeping abantu besifazane ubaletha la ekhaya, yabo. So kufanele kuthiwa hawu unjani, uyaqala ukuletha intombi la ekhaya, bagcine sebeqamba amanga abantu basekhaya, yabo, just because wena uhamba uletha abantu. So it becomes tricky ngale ndlela lento lena yomuntu wesilisa onabantu abadala. Mina ngiyazi from experience, ngiyazi ngami ukuthi we care too much, we love so deep, like ufuna engathi umuntu angahlezi eseduze kwakho. So for me that was the case, and also kwakuwukuthi nga-realize along the way dating this person ukuthi lo muntu lona ukwazi ukukhama down lento enginayo. Abantu abadala-ke babuye babe nolaka for no reason. Kubuye kuthi uhleli uma unabantu abadala ulokhu nje. Lana angithi ngikhuluma in a perspective yomuntu i-process ongakaze ayenze. I am speaking about ilokhu nje izinto engiyi-experience-ayo mina noma izinto engaya-experience-a before until kugcwaliseleka kumina ukuthi okay, le nto ngempela nginayo eyabantu abadala nginayo. Hence nomunye umuntu olalele lana ngiyafisa ukuthi uma ebona lama-behavioural patterns lawa enginawo abone naye ukuthi there's nothing wrong ngaye, yabo, ukuthi unalento le umuntu anayo. So mengihleli nalo muntu lona and then I realize ukuthi along the way ngiya-realize ukuthi lo muntu lona unalento le ekwazi ukukhama down abantu abadala enginabo. By ukubakhama down I mean kuke kufika isikhathi la uthole ukuthi uhleli khona like there's nothing wrong, uvele ube down, uvele nje ukhale for no reason, uvele ukhale, ube down, uvele ulokhu nje ukhale. So leyo nto leyo iyenzeka. So mina whenever kwenzeka leyo nto leyo I would always ngimfonele, and but the problem is lento yenzeka more often once u-understand ukuthi lento unayo, once waqala waphahla and stuff, yabo. So lento yenzeka more often than before. So I would call her and say, dude, angikho right, yazi, sikhulume naye. Because ngiyakhumbula this one time sivuka naye ekuseni, I think ngingeza ekhishini and then I made breakfast for her esembhedeni, ngamlethela ukudla, and then she was like, mina awusho-ke iyona into oyithandayo le ungibona ngiseduze kwakho ngingenzi lutho. I was like, yeah, iyona into engiyithandayo leyo. But ngalesa sikhathi I was not able to put it into words ukuthi lento it stems from where, yabo. Even though ngangikwazi ukuyikhela phezulu ngiyichaze, but ngangakwazi ukureach-a ilokhu nje i-surface yayo and properly explain it to her, even though at times wayehlezi efile ngathi mhlampe ngizoba isangoma noma ngizoba inyanga, yabo. So naye waye-cautious ndlela thile, yabo. So kwakulokhu nje kwakungekho lula kakhulu, kwakungekho lula even from her side, kwakungekho lula because once wanalento le yabantu abadala and then wakhula in a certain environment whereby you were deprived of uthando, so you lack uthando awunalo. Ngalana futhi unalento le yabantu abadala edinga umuntu ozohlezi eseduze kwakho, ozoba ilokhunto, ozoba i-beacon of hope, because leya ntombazane kumina waye-beacon of hope ukuba nayo, ukuze mekuthiwa umuntu uyakuthelela but yena wayengithelela ngezinto ezinhle, because uma nginaye ngangizizwa ukuthi okay, I do not have ama-wings la, like nginazo iy'mpiko, but if ever I could go to the tallest building la e-Maritzburg, I would fly, yabo. I would fly because mhlampe ngingathi i-aura yakhe noma i-close proximity yakhe noma ukuba naye eduze for mina kwakungilokhu nje, kwaku-open-a amanye ama-chambers in terms of ama-thought ami, in terms of inhliziyo yami, in terms of indlela impilo engiyibuka ngayo. Wayengilokhu nje, wayenza yonke into ilokhu nje ibukeke ilula if ever nginaye. Ngiyakhumbula this one time I was even looking for ilokhu nje, for i-plot of land to buy ilokhu nje land and ngifake ilokhu nje khona amakotishi, and she was the first person engake ngamtshela athi, bra, I'm looking for ilokhu nje, I'm trying to buy ilokhu nje land and ngakha amakotishi. I think I'm gonna have like 5 rooms, five single rooms lapho, ngiqashise abantu laphana, yabo. And kuze kufika lapho we had a conversation, siphuma eBhalito naye sahamba ngaseMantobela. So medlula la masidlule ngaseBhamshela, so kwakune-space esasivulekile lapho, and then she was like, yazi ukuthi uma ngase uthole umxhaso, uthole like ilokhu nje umqasho kanje, ube nemqasho, you can make XYZ money, yabo, and wenze ukuthi okuthile, yabo, okuthile. Yabo, she was the type of person othi uma ukhuluma naye aku-advise ngendlela e-right, not only make advisor, uma eka-advisor futhi there was this thing ayekuthelela ngayo ukuthi like ayeshera nawe eyayidrive ukuthi ube umuntu ongcono. Angazi noma like mhlampe I am failing to explain it, but ukuba around her kwakwenza ukuthi yonke into ukwazi ukuyenza, like literally yonke into ukwazi ukuyenza, yonke into ukwazi ukuyenza. So I am saying all this to highlight ukuthi even for her khambe kube too much for her, like in terms of i-behavior yami, yabo, because mesikwi-relationship vele siqala kumnandi yonke into. Yes, along the way there's gonna be amalokhonjo, there's gonna be i-friction, there's gonna be ama-arguments nani nani, but ngisuke ngi-contribute-ile nami ekutheni kube ne-argument the same way naye esuke e-contribute-ile. So I would never sit here and say wonke ama-ex ami ayinkinga. No, I would never say lokho because singayinikani nane-opportunity to just go back. Ngiyobuza komunye engangimdate before ukuthi awusho iziphi izinto ongayithandi kakhulu ngami engangizenza, and then she was able to say I didn't like A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, Z. So I was like, oh, okay. So and then I had to sit down and then be like, okay, nalo munye useka-complain-a ngento ethile, nalo munye o-complain-a ngento ethile. Abakwazi bonke labantu abangazani ukubona into eyodwa kumina, okusho ukuthi vele I do have a problem ey'ntweni ey'thile. So lokho-ke umuntu ukufunda along the way, and sekunzima uku-rectify and then go back to her and say wawuqinisile ngaleya nto leyana, yabo, because phela akasekho, because impilo iyalokhonja, impilo iyaqhubeka the same way eyakhe yaqhubeka. So ngibe nalokho nje ngihlele ebusuku ukucabanga lokho, kubuye kube yilokhu nje, kubuye kube inkinga if ever uzu-understand ukuthi okay, I have abantu abadala, and then lento futhi ihlezi baxosha kakhulu abantu beze bekhethe ukuthi ongcono angisindiswe, ongcono ngisonto. It's because like siyenza sabantu yabo, we do okay, hlaba imbuzi uyihlabe imbuzi, kuthiwa enza iladi ulenze iladi, kuthiwa enza ukuthi ukwenza ukuthi impilo izoba ngcono. But if ever impilo ingabi ngcono, because I just feel like abantu abenza kakhulu or people who pay attention to lezi zinto zesiZulu, isikhathi esiningi ibona within society izinto ezingabahambeli kahle, then abantu abangakwenzi lokho ba-right, you find in most cases ba-right. And if ever you have like a well-paying job, une-apartment e-right, unemoto e-right, in most cases people abasiboni isidingo sokulokhonja to do izinto zesiZulu. So omunye angabe ebuka le nto bese ethi, umuntu angabe ebuka le video bese ethi but mina enhle ngenza but akulungi lutho. Awukho-ke wedwa, ngilapho nami. Mina I have gone to ama-extent are beyond like a normal person like me ongakaze mhlampe adle igobongo, mekufele ngidle igobongo, athwase mhlampe mekufele athwase. I have gone to ama-extent nanama-lengths engathi uma ngingakuxoxa uxele omunye umuntu ngeke aze a-understand. So uma unayo lento ngale ndlela esengiyichaze ngayo from part 1 to part 2, ngithi angishere le video lena just to ease you, ngikukhombisa ukuthi awukho wedwa, because kwesinye isikhathi uke ubhekane nezinto la uhleli khona wedwa and then feel like okay, yonke into is against mina, or noma mhlawumbe akekho umuntu ongilalele mina, akekho umuntu o-relate-ayo, but mina I do relate, and I have came across abantu abaningi akade benga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, until I was like, okay, no, now I go to A, B, C, D, yabo. So there's nothing wrong ngawe, there's nothing wrong with wanting ukuhlala wedwa, uvale endlini uhlale nje wedwa. There's nothing wrong with not wanting ukuba around the crowd. There's nothing wrong with ukulokhunja, ukuvela ufeel down for no reason. There's nothing wrong with being over emotional. There's nothing wrong with caring too much. There's nothing wrong with loving so much. There's nothing wrong with ukuphupha undiza. There's nothing wrong with ukuphupha usesikoleni esithile because that is one of i-process leyo yokuthwasa yabantu abadala bayazenzela bona. There's nothing wrong with ukulokhunja, ukuphupha into bese uyibona yenzeka. Yes, vele abantu they are not gonna call you. I mean, they are not gonna believe you ukuthi you have ilokhunja, i-calling. And okwesibili, there's nothing wrong with being isangoma. There's nothing wrong with being ilokhunja inyanga. There's nothing wrong. Yonke indlela akufanele siyeqe. Kumele ama-steps siwahambe kancane 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 kancane. Angathi umuntu kuwena, hhayi wena unento ethile, woza kumina ngizokuthwasisa. Akuyena wonke umuntu okufanele athwase onabantu abadala. Abanye kufanele balungise imisamo yasemakubo. Abanye abantu abadala bakubo kwangabo bangcolile kumele ubageze wena. Vele kuze ubageze, they're gonna come to you emaphuphweni ulele emathongweni njalo. They're gonna come to you emathongweni and then bakunike amalokhunja ama-messages ekuzomele uwa-decode. Akulula-ke ukudikhoda iphupho engekho umuntu eduze kwakho ozokugayida. Ingakho phela abantu benogobela benobani, it's because whenever kwenzeka iphupho umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi avuke ahambe atshele ugobela wakhe and then ugobela wakhe akwazi ukulidikhoda. So because thina ile generation le isikhathi esiningi ephupha isesikoleni, eyiphupha isesikoleni, eyiphupha indiza nani nani. Isikhathi esiningi lawo maphupho anjalo ngeke uhlezi njalo uyokhipha u-R100 uya kumuntu. Sengiphupha ukuthi because leyo nto leyo requires ilokhunja imali. So kufanele uthole indlela yokuyidikhodela wena amaphupho and angifuni ukuqamba amanga akukho lula. Okwesibili, abakukholwa futhi abantu uma ubatshela ukuthi ngiphupha ukuthi mina abakukholwa. Baze bathi abanye leyo nto yayingekho la ekhaya. Ngisake ngayichaza lento ukuthi wathi omunye kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi la ekhaya umuntu onabantu abadala wayengekho kodwa kuvele kuqhamuka umuntu nje athi ngiyaphupha mina kuthiwe kunesikhwama la ekhaya sokunyaka. Isikhathi esesiphila kusona manje, abantu asebebadala asebewogogo, you find ukuthi abantu abano-50, abantu abano-49. Lawo bantu abano-49 akasekho omunye umuntu osemva kwabo mhlampe osewukhulu kanje owazi umlando noma umlando wesibongo sasekhaya. So you find ukuthi isibongo sakini sesiphela kumuntu oneminyaka ewu-50. Akasazi ukuthi umkhulu kamkhulu wakhe kwakuwubani. So njengoba sesiphela kulesi sikhathi samanje, you find ukuthi umkhulu wakho wesi-10 uma ubuyile emumva uyena owayenesiphiwo esithile. But because lo muntu sewugogo kuwena ona-50 yena use-generation mhlampe yesi-8, vele lezo zinto ngikazazi. Even worse if ever lowo muntu wa-deviate from the rural areas at an early age wayohlala close to emadolobheni, vele lo muntu loyo is gonna lose ilokhunja, i-track off ilokhunja of i-lineage yasekhaya, i-track off umndeni wasekhaya ukuthi ubani wayenzani. Just because lo muntu uhlala naye endlini, othi uma wakho, othi umalume wakho, umalume wakho akakaze abone muntu la ekhaya onesiphiwo sabantu abadala, it doesn't mean ukuthi asikakaze sibe khona. Bengadlali ngawe ngoba ekugcineni lento ibuyela kuwena, i-affect-a wena, ayi-affect bona. Wathi omunye kumina kuyenzeka exoxa ngimuzwa exoxa, kuyenzeka kube ukuthi kini emandulo mhlampe kwakhona abantu ababeyozingela bafica ingane khona eyayino-14 years idukile. Bayithathe leyo ngane leyo bayise mhlampe kwi-clan yakaMthembu because phela kudala kwakuhlala ngey'godi ngama-clans. Bayilethe lapho kaMthembu bese bethi abantu abadala, hhayi ingabe isahamba ingane sekuhlwile. Ingane ihlale la ekhaya liphele ilokhunja iviki, iphele inyanga bese kuthiwani hhayi ngoba le ngane vele isesihlahla eside la ekhaya sesiyithatha njengengane yasekhaya. Mesithatha njani yasekhaya ngoba phela isemagcekeni ala ekhaya, iyashiswa impepho kuthiwa okay, sithole usibanibani edwanguza la elukhunja ehlane, asimazi ukuba ukuthi kephi kodwa ngoba usasegcekeni lala ekhaya kaMthembu, siyacela ukuthi ningamexwayi kubantu abadala, siyacela ukuthi ningamexwayi. Akazi kubo, asazi kubo, ngeke siyekele ingane ilokhunja ihambe yodwa noma ilamba. ihlale leyo ngane ikhule, leyo ngane ibizwe ngomalume wala ekhaya, ithi ingane ize ifike ku-8 years, bese emva kwalokho ingane bese ivele iyadlula emhlabeni isino-8 years, ingcwatshwe ingane, ifihlwe ingane. Uma isifihliwe ingane, mase sefikile ngale kubo emathongweni akubo, mhlampe akaNgcobo, mase sefikile ngale, mase sefikile ngale asho emsamu wakaNgcobo ukuthi hhayi bo, ngikhuthwe abantu bakaMthembu bangithola endaweni ethile kanje kanje, kanje 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 kanje. Ngoba la ekhaya kunesiphiwo, ngicela ukubapha lesikhwama lesi, le gift le, isiphiwo. Ngicela ukubapha lesikhwama lesi, noma ngicela ukubapha le gift le yobunyanga, noma ngicela ukubapha le gift yobusangoma, noma iyiphi i-gift esuke ilokhu nje khona, ngicela ukubapha yona ngibabonge. Usuyasuka umndeni wakaNgcobo ngale, usuyohlangana kephi nowakini emathongweni, nowakaMthembu. Sekuhlala phansi sekuthiwa siyabonga ukuthi nasi sikhulisele ingane, siyabonga ukuthi nasi sikhulisele ingane yaphepha emagcekeni. Asinako okuningi asinako okuningi esinako, kodwa okukhona ilokhu nakhu, sicela ukunipha nasi isipho lesi. Be it bakuphani isikhwama noma bakupha ukube umthandazi noma ukube isangoma, it differs with lokho i-gift. And then masekini beyamukela i-gift, kwenzakalani? Bese kuthi 10 generations down the line usuzala ingane wena, leyo ngane leyo sekuthiwa inani isinabantu abadala, isinabantu abadala. Sebeyadina abantu la ekhaya ukuthi kanjani ngoba phela akekho umuntu owenabantu abadala, kanti no, le sipho lesi siqhamukaphi? Siqhamuka le emuva. Inkinga akekho osekwazi ukusi-trace-a back. So baningi abantu aba-end up-a bengalungelwa yilutho just because ekhaya khona umuntu ophike ukuthi hhayi la ekhaya kwakungekho ukuthi, la ekhaya kwakungekho ukuthi, la ekhaya kwakungekho ukuthi. As long as into ingakulalisi kahle ebusuku, as long as into ikuhlupha, as long as uphupha izinto uyibona zenzeka, leyo nto ibhekene nawe, mina I would advise ukuthi noma kungathiwa it means ukuthi uyongena eMidmadam, it means ukuthi uyothola umuntu ozokufaka eHezemiya, if it means uyothola umuntu ozokufaka eNandadem, if it means uthola umuntu ozokufaka kuMsunduzi, I would always advise ukuthi leyo nto leyo uyenze. Iqala kephi le nto? Iqala ngokwamukela ngaphakathi kwena, ukwamukela ukuthi okay, abantu abadala bakhona. Ungabaphiki, once wabamukela ukuthi bakhona, ila even amaphupho akho khona aseqala khona ukwenza isense. Ila izinto mase zenzeka usune-clue yokuthi oh okay, kunokuthi kwenzeka ukuthi, kwenzeka ukuthi, kwenzeka ukuthi, kwenzeka ukuthi, kwenzeka ukuthi. Ngoba imindeni nemindeni nomndeni ungaxakeka kanjani, ukhona umuntu usuke ewukhiye lapho. Kuba buhlungu-ke lowo muntu owukhiye uma ezoba ugombela kwesakhe, ezovele afune ukuthi abheke umndeni wakhe yedwa. Uthole ukuthi unamagaraji awu-2, unomuzi omkhulu yena. Abanye abantu basekhaya baxakekile kodwa. Bakhona-ke abantu abenza njalo, umuntu avele ayithathe into yasekhaya ibheke yena yedwa. Kanti into yasekhaya uma ikhethe wena, ngoba wena kusuke kufanele wenze njani? Uyisabalalise ukuthi ibheke wonke umuntu emndenini abe right. Kodwa-ke lesi khathi esesiphila kusona, siphila ney'mpisi ezifuna ukuthi kube yizona zodwa emndenini eziba right. Angazi-ke mina ukuthi ulala kanjani ukhululeke umuntu wasekhaya enganako ukudla. Angazi ukuthi abantu bajabula kanjani ukuthi ngoba ingane yakasibanibani ixakekile, ayize izosigadela ingane la. While iya la ekhaya ingane izohlala yona, ingene ku-TikTok, iciphaze ifoni noma izophuma ihambe iye kubangani bayo, kodwa ingane ka-anti ubani kube yiyona ezolokhu nje, ezowasha izitshalo la ekhaya, ezowasha amabhodwe, ezokwenza yonke into la, ezoklina igceke, ezogada ingane, ezokwenza yonke into. Iqiniso-ke sesinganalo lelo as abantu abamnyama. Akekho futhi o-willing ukuthi alikhulume, sengivala nje. Nale nto yokuthi kwaziwe emndenini ukuthi usibanibani uyaganga, be it uganga emathuneni, be it uganga kephi, uganga kephi, uganga kephi, kuthiwa uphendule lokho nje idlozi, noma kuthiwa wadlisa bani, wabulala bani, kujike futhi menze umsebenzi the very same sibanibani kube yithina futhi kuthiwani asihambe siyeni kaMasibanibani kwenziwe umsebenzi khona, siphinde futhi sihlale phansi sidle lapho. Kanjani phela ngoba nina nithi lo muntu wenza ukuthi. Ingakho mekufanele kulandwe umuntu wesiZulu okwazi ukuhlola, angaqhamuki kuthina kodwa mefika awufice umndeni uphelele wonke uhleli phansi. Khona mekuzothiwa usibanibani wenza ukuthi, sonke sikwazi ukukuzwa lokho sila usibanibani wenza ukuthi, because kubuye kube inkinga if ever wena uzohamba uye kumuntu wakho ubuye uthi hhayi umuntu wami uthe usibanibani wenza ukuthi, asazi ukuthi sekuwumona yini ngoba usibanibani enamagaraji awu-2 engasancikile kuwena noma engasancikile ngasemndenini, asikwazi. Ezinye zezinto lezo engifisa ukuthi le generation yethu enabantu abadala ikwazi ukuyilungisa, ikwazi ukuthi sibuyele emasisweni, senze izinto ngendlela ngoba mesingazenzi izinto ngendlela siyoqhubeka sizale iy'ngane ey'njengama-2K, hhayi ngoba ngijaja, iy'ngane oy'bonayo ukuthi kuthiwa ziyahlupha zenziwelani nani nani. Ngeke phela ingane ingahluphi ngoba vele azenzelwela iy'ngane imbeleko, ngeke ingahluphi ingane. Siningi isintu esingazange indlela yesintu engazange yenziwe, ngeke ingane ingahluphi ngobani mina ngumuntu wesilisa ngamithi sontombazane ngahamba ngayolokhunja, ngayokhokhela ingane, ngase ngayitshela ukuthini kushuthi leyo ngane leyo sekumele ibize isibongo sami, kanti cha, ukukhokhela inhlawulo, ukuphakamisa isandla ukuthi uthini, uthi hhayi, I take accountability, imina omithise usibanibani, akuchazi ukuthi sekumele ashintshe isibongo asisebenzise esakho. Yonke leyo nto ivule i-pothole ukuthini kuzalwe i-generation manje ey'ngane ey'ngekho right. Njengoba ngisho futhi ukuthi angijaji, ngifisa la bantu laba ozobe ebuka le vidiyo lena, obhekana nalezi zinto engibhekana nazo in terms of abantu abadala, ngifisa ukusho ukuthi sinikiwe ithuba lokuthi sishintshe yonke into and yonke into ikuthina. That's why there's a large number manje yabantu ekuthiwa banabantu abadala. Yes, bazokuthatha bakugxishe amaphilisi o-schizophrenia, bakugxishe amaphilisi nani nani, kuthiwa usuyahlanya, ubona izinto ey'ngekho, uzwa izinto ey'ngekho, kurongi konke lokho. Engathi ungathola usizo ngendlela, thola umuntu ozokhuluma naye ofana nawe ozokukhombisa ukuthi there's nothing wrong ngawe. Inkinga i-part obekelwe yona engekho lula. Once emndenini kwakhona abantu abayeqayo le nto yabantu abadala, izofika kuwena vele isi-angry times 50 times 30. Khumbula ukuthi abantu abadala kuthiwa bazithutha, bafuna izinto zenziwe ngendlela yabo, vele izofika kuwena isikusinda vele isi-times 30, but it doesn't mean ukuthi there's anything wrong kuwena, awukho right. Ngiyaphila nguMinenhle, uyaphila nawe. Ngicela ukubonga, sengivala u-part 2 wami, ngiyabonga.